Yo, hello everyone. Buying F1 tickets online can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we will walk you through the process of buying a Formula 1 tickets online step by step so you can purchase your tickets with ease and confidence. Now, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. Yo, now all you gotta do is simply go ahead and launch your browser. Then go to the URL section and search for SeatGeek. So this is the website that we are going to use to actually get to buy tickets. Now go and click over here and click on the first link. And simply now all you have to do is go to this right top corner and click on login. Since we don't have an account already, click on sign up here and then put here your email address, the full name, and then a password of your choice. And here you have to make sure of upper case and lower case letters, so you have to make it a little bit harder for them to get the password. So here we go, sign up now, and numbers and symbols. Okay, let's add some symbols, and now it shall be created successfully. And as you can see, this is the account, and here you might see the tickets that you have bought. So this is your history. Here you can even see and sell your own ticket that you have, for example, for MLB ticket, e-ticket, NFL tickets. So whatever kind of tickets, you can actually sell them here. And basically, for example, how to do so, click here, search for MLB team, for example, and here go to your Diamondbacks account manager, for example, like that. As you can see, I have to use VPN to actually get the access to this website, but in general, all you have to do is choose whatever ticket and you'll be able to actually sell your own tickets over here. Here, for example, for NFL, you can go here, add game, and then choose what kind of section, 103, row 1, quantity, 5, next. Here, add the seat and the barcode, seat, barcode for each one, and then upload the tickets over here. So it is very easy, guys, to actually start selling tickets on this website, but that's not what we are going to show you in this video. This video we are going to show you how to actually start buying tickets through this website. So now, as you may see, this is the these are like the most popular event that you might see. So these are concerts, NFL, MLB, NBA, there is more, NHL, MLS, Broadway, comedy, NCAA, NCAA, FB, WWE, tennis, and finally here fighting and golf. So these are all the categories that you can find. For example, here in fighting, you will find some kind of WWE, you will find some kickboxing, some kind of wrestling, UFC. If there was any kind of like, this kind of 1v1 between YouTubers like KSI events and etc., you might find them in here as well. So everything will be here. Also, guys, here you can find the most popular 2023 NFL games that are upcoming. So you can actually reserve from now the tickets for some games. As you can see here, it's at Cowboys, Bengals at Titans. So these are all the games that you can find for NFL games. They are all here, and these are like the most popular ones that are in the next month. Here, the same thing for MLB, which is over here. All these are all tickets available for you to buy. And how to know if they are available or not, you can just check here the price. So these are the prices. If there was no prices like here, you can just check it from like clicking on it, and as you may see here, there is actually the prices, so everything is available at the moment. So hurry up and start getting your tickets right now before you lose them. And if you are a fan of concerts, of pop, etc., you can go here, choose what kind of category of pop you'd like. Here, this is alternative, classic rock, country, indie, and much more. As you can see, for example, here you might find even like the popular concerts. For example, for Taylor Swift, here or all the Taylor Swift concerts, and they are pretty expensive to be honest. Like 1900 for a concert. I mean, yeah, it is up to you guys. Here, as you can see, find tickets. You can find all these tickets for these concerts, and there is much more than that. For example, Ed Sheeran, Shaq Reagan, and your favorite singer will be here 100%. So once your singer announced that there will be a concert in the next upcoming month or days, make sure to check this website. You will find his concert on this website listed, so you can get your tickets and make sure you get it on the first row, so you can meet your singer and try to get to talk to him. But yeah, overall, that's what the website is going to do. And now let's continue with our video. So now, as you have seen guys, there is no Formula 1 in here. So what shall we do now? Is it not in this specific website? So guys, everything is actually here. Even like if you missed it, you didn't see it here, everything that you think of as a sport is actually in this website. It doesn't matter what kind of sport it is. So now what you have to do is simply ignore this list of sports and then click here. Here, click and search for Formula 1 and voila, as easy as it can be. Here, go ahead and choose your team or the thing that you want to watch on Formula 1 and click on it. For example, this one. Now, as you can see, this is the ticket for each place and each like kind of this is the map actually for each place that you are going to stay in. So this is like for here, this is the price for this one, and you got it. So now, for example, if you want to buy this one, you can just click here and go to this, and as you can see, click here and you will receive 2 tickets. All you have to do is go to checkout, and simply from this process, all you have to do is add here your mobile number, continue to billing. Here you'll have to add an actual USA number. For me, I have added like another random number, but overall you have to add a USA number which starts with +1, and then they will take you to the payment process where you have to add your payments so method. So they accept actually PayPal, they accept credit card, they accept Visa card, they accept cryptocurrencies even, and they accept generally the most of the payment method that you think of or do you have. And right after you buy it, simply all you have to do is go and check your inbox on your email. You will receive the tickets barcode, so they will be on your email. In case you lost them or you forgot about your account or something like that, you will receive them there. And how you can actually get into the event using your mobile, simply just go ahead and open the tickets. So here, for example, just open your email, you will receive a ticket here, and go to the stadium where the actual match is being played, and show them the ticket on your mobile phone or show them the barcode, and they will scan it and validate that it is yours. It is as simple as that and very easy to actually use. Instead of like going and buy the ticket IRL, it is very useful to use SeatGeek for actual tickets. And as you may see, this is they give you like some notification about if the prices are dropping down and etc. So this is a very useful website to actually use to buy tickets in the upcoming days for you. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.